Jazakallah, Brother Sheikh. Now we will open up the floor for question and answer session. The question should be pertaining from the topic, what Brother has delivered today on the topic of what Al-Quran says about Al-Hikmah. Our program coordinators will come up to you with the mic so you can remain seated while you're asking your questions. I'll open up the floor with the ladies first if you have any questions.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ms. Sharia. My question is in Surah Al-Isra, ayat 34, the person who is taking care of the orphans is commanded not to go near the wealth of the orphans until they attain the age of maturity, except in a beautiful manner. Can you explain how?
Okay, you see in the Quran there is an ayah. The question is that if you're taking care of an orphan, what is the beautiful manner how you should take care of the orphan, and if you want to use the money or you want to give back the money to the orphan when they attain the age of maturity, how? It's in the Quran ayah, you can write down Surah Nisa 4 and ayah 6. وَابْتَلُوا الْيَتَامَى حَتَّى إِذَا بَلَغُوا النِّكَاحَ فَإِنْ آنَسْتُم مِّنْهُمْ رُشْدًا فَادْفَعُوا إِلَيْهِمْ أَمْوَالَهُمْ وَلَا تَأْكُلُوهَا إِسْرَافًا وَبِدَارٍ أَن يَكْبَرُوا وَمَنْ كَانَ غَنِيًّا فَلْيَسْتَعْفِفْ وَمَنْ كَانَ فَقِيرًا فَلْيَأْكُلْ بِالْمَعْرُوفِ فَإِذَا دَفَعْتُمْ إِلَيْهِمْ أَمْوَالَهُمْ فَأَشْهِدُوا عَلَيْهِمْ وَكَفَى بِاللَّهِ حَسِيبًا. Make a trust and a trial of the orphans until they reach the age of marriage. If you find them sobriety in them, then release the wealth to them. But consume not wastefully, nor in haste against their growing up. If the guardian is well off, let him claim no remuneration, no money, if you are well off. But if the guardian is poor, let him have for himself what is just and reasonable. When you release their wealth to them, take a witness over them, and Allah is sufficient in taking account. It tells us that if the person is poor and is taking care of the child, and the child has got wealth, a huge amount of wealth, he can use according to his own living and by taking care. But the wealth will be given when first the child will be tested for his sobriety, because if he's not sober, first of all, he should be sober enough to understand things, what is right and wrong. Then you can give back his money at the age of nikah or marriage, men and women both. But if he's not sober, then you still have to take care of the guardian. You still have to be the guardian and take care of it, because there's some retarded people or some like that, or some is not sober enough. But if he's sober enough and you have tested and tried them, give their wealth back to them and take a witness. And during the course of making them growing up, you can use them if you're poor. If you're not poor, then you may not use them. That is the handsome manner that is required in that time. Okay? Okay.
Assalamu alaikum, Brother Sheikh. My name is Irfan. My question is, suppose if we do not practice the do's and don't do's of the Quran, but we propagate the ayats of Quran, can we deliver the message?
I was telling you in my lecture, if you are not practicing the do's and the don'ts, and you are not practicing the hikmah, without hikmah, Allah said, Udu ila sabil rabbika bil hikmata wal mawidata bil hasan. It says that invite to the way of your Lord with wisdom. So if you are not with wisdom, means you are not practicing and believing and practicing, then you are asking, can we propagate Islam? You see, there is an ayat in the Quran, 49 surah and 6 ayah. Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu in ja'akum fasiqun binabin fatabayyanu an tusibu qawman bijahalatin fatusbihu ala ma fa'altum nadibin. It says, you believe, in ja'akum fasiq binabin. Naba in Arabic means an information or a prophecy, and nabuwat is prophethood. Nabi is a prophet, okay? Nabi is a prophet, okay? Nabiyun is plural, and Naba is prophecy or information that the prophet gives, the message of Allah. So he says, Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu in ja'akum fasiqun bin nabain. If a fasiq person comes with normally they translate as news, but with the prophecy or the prophets, the message. Naba will be a prophecy. Now, what is a fasik? Fasik is a person who takes the liberty over the commandments. Liberal. I am a liberal person. Means there are message, I understand the message, but I am liberal. I don't practice. So Allah says, oh you believe, Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu, in ja'akum fasiqun binabin. If a fasik person, meaning a liberal person, comes with the prophecy, binaba. Binaba means with the prophecy. Ba means, B means with. Naba means prophecy. Fatabayyanu, seek clarification. Meaning, that do you believe and practice? You are quoting an ayah to me. Do you believe and practice? Seek clarification. So, fatabayyanu an tusibu qawmun bi jahalatin. You will harm people unwittingly. Fatusbi ala faltum nadimin, full of repentance what you have done. Normally, people are quoting. I am telling you again and again that in the course of in the Quranic discussions, people who are non-Muslim, they quote an ayah. So you first of all, when a person, anybody quotes an ayah, you ask him, do you believe and practice? If he doesn't believe, then why are you telling me this? So why are you telling me this? That's seeking clarification. Because Quranic ayahs are not like other idioms or sayings. Like people use quotation, like a poet, in a poetry they use in a situation they quote a share, a poetry in society. But ayat, if somebody quotes, you ask him, stop. Do you know the meaning? Ask him the meaning. Do you believe? Yes. Do you practice? Yes. Then you listen to him. Others, Allah said, there are fasik people who are also quoting ayats. So you must understand, Udu ila sabil rabbi bil hikmah. You have to invite the people to your Lord with wisdom. That is the command. With wisdom we should invite, that we will believe and practice.
In verse 44 of Surah 16, the word bayyana or clarification of the messenger is referred to the book of tradition. Would you like to elaborate this?
Okay. Now this is Surah Al-Nahl 16 and Ayah 44. So I will read the full ayah. Bil bayyinati wa zubur. Wa anzalna ilayka dhikra litubayyin lin-nas ma nuzila ilayhim wa la'allahum yatafakkarun. We sent them with clarification and the pieces, and we have revealed to you in the remembrance, so that you clarify for people what has been revealed towards them, and maybe they will ponder. Now what is normally happening in the world, people quote this ayat, they say, وَأَنزَلْنَا إِلَيْكَ dhikra, and it is we who have revealed to you, the messenger, لِتُبَيِّنَ النَّاسِ, so that he should clarify for mankind. And they stop. The ayat doesn't stop here, but they stop. And they say that Allah has revealed over the messenger, the remembrance, the Quran, so that he clarify for mankind. And they stop. But if you read further, مَا نُزِّلَ إِلَيْهِمْ, what is revealed on them? So what is revealed on the people, he has to clarify that. You see, the ayah says, وَأَنزَلْنَا إِلَيْكَ dhikra, and we have revealed over you the remembrance or the message of remembrance, لِتُبَيِّنَ لِلنَّاسِ, so that you clarify for mankind, مَا نُزِّلَ إِلَيْهِمْ, what is revealed over them. So whatever is revealed over them, the messenger came to clarify what is revealed over them, not the book of traditions. What is revealed, when I read the Quran, something is revealed over me. When you read the Quran, something is revealed over you. So messenger's job is to clarify what is revealed over us, so that we may not get wrong ideas. So what is revealed over us, he clarifies that. What is revealed from the Quran over people. So this ayah says, وَأَنزَلْنَا إِلَيْكَ dhikra, we have revealed over you, the messenger, the zikr, the remembrance, لِتُبَيِّنَ لِلنَّاسِ, so that he clarify for mankind, مَا نُزِّلَ إِلَيْهِمْ, what is revealed over them. Not the other books, revealed over them. وَلَعَلَّهُمْ يَتَفَكَّرُونَ, so that they may ponder.
There's a Surah 80 Abasa
Okay.
and ayat 1 to 7. There's a situation there where a blind man comes in and he asks some questions. So I just would like to know, if you don't know the background of these ayats, which are mentioned in the hadith, then how will you clarify them?
Yeah. You know, we just now demonstrated something. These are the ayahs. There are many ayahs, in the Quran. People think that without the background of the traditions, we cannot understand these ayahs. I just now give one of the ayahs demonstration. And similarly, this ayat in Surah Abasa 81 to 7, in my words, I'll explain first, then we will see what it is written. You see, the problem is, they say there was a blind man, came to the Prophet, and the Prophet's behavior was not good. So he was asked, Allah asked him to consider that man. Now, in the history, in the tradition, is a physically blind man. First of all, to start with, he was a blind man. But Quran says people are blind, they don't see, they hear not. Summum bukum umyun, you know this ayat? So this blind man is not actual blind man. He like, for example, if I don't know the essence of the message of the Quranic ayahs, I am like a blind man. So that blind man came to the Prophet, and if you read now, you understand everything. Just one word you have to understand. If you put it physically, all confusion gone, all confusion comes, and then you have to go into tradition to understand. But if you ponder, the Prophet's job is to deliver the message to mankind. All mankind are blind. Not physically, but spiritually people are blind. When the ayahs are brought forward to them, they can see. So now if you see that I will read in English, Abasa wa tawalla an ja'ahul a'ma. A'ma means blind. Wama yudrika lahu yazzakka. He frowned and turned away. Prophet frowned and turned away. There came to him a blind man. And what perception you have that he may be justified? He may have been justified. Wama yudrika la'alla yazzakka. He said yazzakka means justification. He may be justified. It's related to psychology, not physical blindness. He won't get the eyes. Yazzakka is justification. Aw yadhakaru fatanfa'u dhikra, that he may receive remembrance of Allah. So the remembrance could have been an advantage to him. The remembrance could be an advantage to him, not physically, psychologically. Amma manis taghna, and who regards himself self-sufficient, fa'anta lahu tasadda, you attend him. The one who is a rich guy, rich fellow, you are attending him. A blind, psychological, spiritual person who is blind, so he would have taken the heed. You are attending to the one who thinks that I am knowledgeable, I know much. So he's been, wama alayka Allah yazzakka. Yazzakka again justification. And it is not over you that he gets justified or not. So in the history they say it was a physical blind man. I am telling you he was a psychological. And we all are psychologically blind if we do not know the ayat, the essence. So in this ayah, the Prophet, according to, he was attending to a person who thinks he is knowledgeable. But a blind person who was seeking guidance came to him, he ignored him. So the attention was made to him. So even without reading the historical book, I can understand this. Because today I see majority of the people are blind. We all are blind if we do not know the essence and the message of Allah's ayahs. The moment we come to know, that from there onwards we amend. So it was like this. You don't have to go into history to understand this. Thank you. Okay.
Thank you, brothers and sisters. With this, we end this evening's program. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.